Hi everyone, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. So I'm heading out of town and I'm going to make this video to show you what's inside a box that I gift to family and friends. And so it's a big box, we'll measure it, I'll show you, and yeah, so it's me. So yeah, and if I'm giddy, it's because I'm going out of town and I'm excited to see my mom and dad. So yeah, this is what's inside the box. I literally have to stand up and show you this. Okay, so I usually make boxes. I have tutorials on boxes and all that, but I just don't have the time. I needed something bigger. I wanted it to be grand because I really haven't seen a lot of my friends when I go back to Florida, and I just love them and miss them. So the box is 12 by 10, and it is, oh my gosh, 6 inches tall. And this is from Hobby Lobby. No, no, no. This is from Tuesday Mornings. And I buy the boxes for $8.99. And it's got a magnet, and this is what it looks like there. And it's a nice box. See, it's a really nice box. Okay. Um, and I already gifted one to my daughter-in-law's mother, and I already gifted one to my daughter-in-law, and I hope they like them enough to use what's inside the box. I have to move lighting. So this is for Betsy. And this is Betsy, and she is with my grandson Axel. And it says for you, and I'm going to write inside. I made this. Everything in this box is Anna Griffin. So this is a dear, dear, sweet friend. She's so close to the family that she is my grandson Axel's godmother. My daughter picked her. So that tells you how close she is. And the godfather is my son, my daughter's brother. So, you know, it's very close. But isn't she's just beautiful. Okay. I gave her a ornament bookmark. Everything you see here I've made and made videos of, I think. I'm going to go faster. I gave her a ornament. Okay, so there's a pin in the box. There are, let's go this way, slimline cards. So let's see, how am I going to show this? There is birthday, and all of them have sentiments inside. So here's a birthday. Here is another birthday. Here is just a men's card, and I left it blank. I think I'm going to add something to this. So I'm going to put this off to the side and add something else. I didn't add a sentiment because I need to. That's what I'll do. There's a birthday. That one should be a man's birthday, I think. So I'll go back to that. Here is a condolence. Okay. So let's put those right here. Then I did the Christmas cards I just showed you. And these are really, they have the sentiments and everything, and I did them really fast. And I stuck some in. I gave her 20. She says she does 60, but I made 20 to get her started. So we'll show those really fast. Look at that one, really in depth. I love that one. I love that die. It is the same die as this right here, but look at the difference between the two. Okay, let me go through the Christmas ones. I'm going to go really fast to show you what's inside her box. That way I can remember for always and everything. So yeah, look at that. Okay, so we got, oh, a couple more Christmases. There's 20 of them all together. So there you go. Then I have in the bottom and throughout is smell good dryer sheets. So you never know when she's going to get into it. This right here is a shadow, and I have to put it in there so it stays together and everything. It's a shadow layer one. See the layers of it? So I'm going to just leave that one in there because I'm already ripping that. So let me put that off to the side. Here is a pulley card. Here is, I gave her a lot of pulley cards. may have to change stuff around. I got so much. Here's another pulley card. They're just so pretty. That was what was in right now. Next year she'll get other things that are in. So let me just, I don't like that corner, and I want to make sure everything is as perfect as I can get it. I mean, it is handmade. So I have my glue gun on, and I'm going to push that down and have that prepared ready. So yeah, it pulls down a little bit easier. So there's that one. Here is this one. I just hope, I'm shy about giving things. I hope they like them. I hope, you know, they enjoy it as much as I like making them for them. I get nervous thinking, well, are they going to like it? Let me get rid of that. Okay, so here is more birthday, and it has a sentiment inside. And look at the layers. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, here's another birthday. I'm not going to open up the sentiments. This says best wishes, but I do believe birthday is inside. So here's that one. Oh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That just is gorgeous on your special day. Birthday. Most of them are birthdays. If she needs something, I'm sure I can make it for her. This one I made out of my own creations. Most of these are all my ideas. I don't like to follow the sheet so much anymore. Okay, oh, that one, I love the layers and layers on that one. Oh, it's so pretty. This one is a tunnel card. Wow, I didn't know this was in here, but look at that tunnel card. I didn't even take pictures of my tunnel cards. But yeah, there's a tunnel card. Put this back on that, and everyone has an envelope. So there is this one. Oh, it's gonna little smash. Sending love, birthday. Let me put that back here. 1, 2. This one's a man's easel card. 3. I'm counting because I want to see how many I give her. Look at that. Thinking of you. I'm blessed to have you. It's just a thank you. It's not a birthday, thank goodness. I may have to go back through these. That's definitely a birthday one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get well soon. 6, 7, 8, 9. And this one is a pull card. So, and it has a sentiment and all that. So there's 9. There's a butterfly moves. There's 9. And let's put this one on the bottom since it's so big. 9, that's 10. Let's count how many cards are in here. 10. 10 on that stack. 11. Okay. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. Maybe this one won't make it in. 21. Okay. And then 22. Okay. Then there's 23. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. I'm going to redo that one. And a layer. 27 plus 20 of the Christmas card, so 27, 47, and then this one is 48, 49, 50 items, because I remember we counted the Christmas cards. Wow, she's getting 50 items. She may only get it every other year. I don't think she could use this in a year. But isn't this going to be a wonderful surprise gift to a friend that is truly dear to my heart? Oh, and I have This is my new thing, my new resolution, even though it's not Christmas yet. This is what I want to do. I just want to make people happy. And this is what I want to do. I hope she likes it. I am going to cover the top with tissue paper. So that's what's inside the box. I hope you liked it. I think some of them are so beautiful. I hope they like them. I hope I'm doing a good job. You just never know. So let me go fix this one and head out of town, and I'll see you back in about a week or so. So yeah, have a blessed day, everybody. This desk is a hot mess trying to fix this fit this big old box there. All my links are down below. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope Betsy enjoys this. Oh, let me put the pin back in. I hope that it just works out. And if I had moolah money, I would have postage in here for her too, and a book of stamps. But yeah, I think this is good. Yeah, so there you go. Have a blessed day, everybody. Thank you.